Let me show you how to make a real progress donut chart in Excel. First, right-click, Type Shape, and pick the rounded rectangle. Draw the shape, adjust the rounded edges, and change the fill color to dark blue. Right-click, type Text, and click on Text Box. Type Progress, make the text bold and the color white. Now, click on Shape Format and remove the shape fill and outline. Then resize the text box. Highlight the data and search for Donut Chart. Delete the title and data callouts at the bottom. Click on the Format tab, remove the shape fill and outline, and then resize and reposition the chart. Double-click on the blue, completed, series bar, and change the fill to solid fill and white. Then change the borders to a solid line and white. Now, carefully click on the other series in the bar chart and select No Fill, Solid White Line, and change the donut hole size to 85%. Copy the progress text box, click in the formula bar, and then select the completed cell. Format the text to white and change the size to 30. Then adjust the position. Finally, copy the progress text box and type completed. Now you have a cool progress chart. Like and follow for more tips.